Today, we dive into the intriguing world of Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip series. Ever since its debut, users have marveled at its innovative foldable design. But one thing has been missing: a zoom camera. Could that change in the future? Let's explore. The Galaxy Z Flip series has captured hearts with its compact design and foldable display. However, one notable absence has been a telephoto camera. All models released so far feature wide and ultra-wide lenses, but a zoom camera has been noticeably absent. Recently, a Samsung patent uncovered by Galaxy Club has stirred excitement. It reveals a potential design for future Galaxy Z Flip phones. This design showcases three rear-facing cameras and a rectangular cover screen without the traditional folder-like notch. While the patent sparks hope for a zoom camera in upcoming models, it's essential to tread cautiously. Current evidence suggests that the next Galaxy Z Flip, possibly the Flip 6, might not adopt this design. However, the patent hints at Samsung's exploration of a triple camera setup for future iterations. Diving deeper, we uncover fascinating details. The patent application dates back to mid-2022 and was granted in early 2023. This timeline prompts speculation about when we might see a triple camera Galaxy Z Flip. If we speculate, the earliest contender could be the Galaxy Z Flip 7, slated for a possible 2025 release. But remember, patents don't always translate into real-world features. While we await the potential arrival of a triple camera setup, let's focus on what's in store for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Reports suggest it will stick to a dual camera configuration comprising a wide and an ultra-wide lens. Excitingly, there are talks of upgrading the primary shooter from 12 megapixel to a hopping 50 megapixel, promising enhanced photo quality and advanced camera functionalities. Leaked information hints at a familiar exterior for the Galaxy Z Flip 6, resembling its predecessor. However, under the hood, significant improvements are expected. A newer Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip is rumored to power the device, offering enhanced performance. Additionally, the inclusion of Galaxy AI ensures a smarter, more intuitive user experience. As anticipation builds, all eyes turn to Samsung's next major Unpacked event slated for July. This event could mark the official debut of the Galaxy Z Flip 6, unveiling its upgraded features and captivating the audience with its innovative design. In the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone technology, the Galaxy Z Flip series continues to push boundaries. While the prospect of a zoom camera remains on the horizon, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 promises to deliver an exceptional user experience with its upgraded hardware and advanced camera capabilities. Stay tuned for more updates as we witness the future unfold with Samsung's groundbreaking innovations.